Good evening. I am Darla Tanuj and this is my first task video. For the first task, we will be exploring a supervised machine learning algorithm. In this case, we will be seeing a linear regression problem. In this regression problem, we will be loading a test data score in which the time the students have spent to study and their respective scores are given. In this question, we will have to predict the score if a student studies for 9.25 hours in a day. So let's get started. So in our first step, we will be importing the required libraries, which are the pandas, numpy, seaborn, and the matplotlib. And then we will be importing the data set. As you can see, we have imported the data set, and this is the respective data set. Then we will be checking the information of the data set, and then we are seeing if there are any missing values, and you can see there are no missing values. So and then we will just visualize the plot for an initial chart. Then we are using a regression plot to check, to see the regression line, to see the fitting. As you can see respectively, the fitting of the data set that has been provided. Then we are splitting the data into our train and test, and then we are training our model in linear regression. And then once the model has been prepared, we are checking for the intercept value and the coefficient value respectively. Then we are making predictions and displaying the predictions, or visualizing the training prediction. You can see, so the green line is the line of best fit, our blue dots are the scores, and then we are checking for our testing data. So and then for our initial question, which was given, the number of hours spent is 9.25, what will be its predicted score? So we have the predicted the score to be 92.38, and then we are checking our evaluation, our model evaluation factors like the mean absolute error, the mean squared error, and the no root mean squared error, and we can see the respective values of our evaluation. So this is my first task. Thank you.